Hello, it's your girl Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I am back to teach you another line dance, and I am so glad, so excited that you decided to watch this video. And I want to thank you, tell you how much I appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching all the instructionals, all your feedback. Thank you so much. Make sure you check out my upcoming event that's next year, July 27th through the 30th, 2017, the NOLA Southern Experience. It's going to be a beautiful line dance weekend. So early bird registration is going on right now, May 1st through June the 30th, 2016. So many of you have already registered. I've been put to my mailbox to pick up your registration, and I want to thank you so much. I have people coming from all over. I am so excited. Many of y'all guys have never been to a line dance event. I want you to take this opportunity, you and your girls and your friends or whatever, to come and see the Who Dat teacher. I have so many things, exciting things planned. We're going to have umbrella workshops, instructors workshops, theme parties. I mean, it's going to be pop-up parties, line dance workshops. It's going to be a beautiful weekend here in New Orleans. So make sure you go online, take care of your registration, get that out of your way. Okay, you got your registration out the way. And then you can plan for your hotel. You can book your hotel and then plan for your transportation. And you have well over 12 months to do that. So I want to see you at the NOLA Southern Experience 2017, July the 27th through the 30th, 2017. So I want you to go to my website, lmiunola.com. When you open up that website, it's going to give you all the details. If you want to register, you can click on the active buttons. You can do it online, or you can do manual registration. It tells you everything that we have planned, your hotel, everything. If you have any questions, of course, you can give me a call. But I think we have everything covered, okay? So I would love to see you at the NOLA Southern Experience. Everyone who has registered already, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. So if you or someone you know is in the New Orleans area and interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. So this next line dance I'm going to teach you is called Black Lipstyck. Oh, this song is so beautiful. This is a beautiful song. Lori Brown out of California created this line dance. So instructors use this one I will use it for a cool down, okay? You can warm up with it also. It's a slower dance, and there's only 2 parts to it. It's a 2-wall dance, and I'm going to give you the step-by-step instructions. Here we go. Okay, it starts with on your right, step on your right. So it's right, left, left. 5, 6, 7, step right. Right, left, step. Step on your right, quarter turn with your left shoulder going back. So that's like a drunken sailor that I'm doing. Right, left. Right, left, step. Okay? So it's a quarter turn, left shoulder go back, right shoulder go forward. So next wall, step it on your right. Again, 5, 6, 7. Step right. Right, left, step. Step on your right. Now we're going to do a coaster step on the left. Left coaster. Left, right, left. Again. Left, right, Again. Left, right, Last step is on your left. Then I want you to step up. Right, left. That's it. So we're going to do the same step at all 4 walls until we come back to the front. So here we go from the top. Step on your right, to your right. Drunken sailor. Right, left, stop. Coaster step. Right, left. Again, 5, 6, 7, and right, left, stop. Left, right, left. you to do, stand on this side here, okay? Just stand like I'm standing right here, okay? So we're going to do it twice back to back, and I want you to be able to see my step, okay? Here we go. Let's step right. 5, 6, 7. Step right. Right, left, right. Left, right, left. Turn. Stomp. So I stomp. Here we go. 5, 6, 7. Again. Right, left, right. Left, right, left. Stomp. Left, right, left. Up. Right, left. Again. Right, left, right. Left, right, left. Stomp right back. Left, right, left. Up. Right, left. Okay. So you're going to do that around the entire room. All 4 walls, okay? I'm not going to do it because my back going to be turned to you. You know I don't like that, okay? So you're going to continue doing that. Right, left, right. Left, right, left. Stomp right back. Left, right, left. Up. Right, left. Step right. Right, left, right. Left, right, left. Stomp right, turn. Left, right, left. Up, right, left. You're going to do it again. And it's just going to bring you around the room. Left, right, left, right, left. Step right, right, left, right, left, right, left. Stomp right, left, right, left, right, left. So when you stomp on your right, use that to make that quarter turn, okay? Right, left, right, left. Turn, left, right, left, okay? So you do that at all walls, okay? So that's part 1. So now what I want you to do is, and I'm not going to do it with you, before you go on to this part 2, I want you to practice doing it on the back wall. Because when we finish, it's a 2-wall dance. We're going to do it on the front wall and the back wall. So you know when you go to a different wall, you think it's totally different, but it's the same footwork. So practice that on the back wall. Right, left, right, left. Because when you start this line dance over again, you're going to start on the back wall. Okay? Now, let's go to part 2. Part 2 is a cross and kick. Right over left. Okay? 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay? So when you cross, you step on the odd number. 1 and kick. 2 and kick. The leg that cross is the odd number. Okay? So you cross right, left, 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Then you're going to walk up 5 times. Right, left, left. That was 4 times. I'm going to step one more time. Right. So I crossed and kicked 4 times. And I stepped up 5 times. Right, left, right. 5 times. Right, left, right. Okay? So let's start with the cross and kick. When you do the cross and kick, I want you to move back, okay? 5, 6, 7, and cross. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Point, cross, point. So I cross point on the left because my last step up was on my right. That was 5 on the right. So I point on the left, cross, point, and move it forward, okay? So let's do the cross and kick, then we go back to the top. 5, 6, 7, and cross. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Point, cross, point. On the left and the right. Okay? So now let's go all the way back to the top. So since I'm going back to the top, I'm going to have to turn my back. Okay? So your back is going to be turned anyway. So let's start with that step to the right. Right, left, left. Step right, coaster step, left, right, left, up, right, left. Repeat it 4 times till we go back to the front, then we go into the cross and kick. 5, 6, 7, step right. Right, left, left, step. Left, right, up, right, left, right, left, step, back, left, right, up, right, left, step right, left, step right, coaster step, step right, left, left, step, left, right, back here, cross, 1 and 2, move back, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, walk up right, left, right, point left, cross, point right, okay? Now my heel is up, so I'm going to do, depending on what age group you are, I'm going to do a pony or a hood walk, okay? So depending on, how old you are, pony, you remember a pony. If you're a little younger, it's a hood walk, okay? So my heel is out here. So we do a pony or hood walk. So we come back on the right is right, left, left. Okay, again, 5, 6, 7, back. Right, left, left. Now this step here that I'm doing is all about the turn. How we get to that second wall. This is what this is about, okay? So I just step up, point on the left, cross, point. From here, pony or hood walk. Right, left, left. Now, from here, the last step was on my left. I'm going to make a quarter turn to my right. 1, 2. Then I'm going to make a half turn. 3, 4. Okay, with my right shoulder coming back. Quarter turn, right, 1, 2, half turn, right shoulder come back, 3, 4. Okay, from here I'm going to repeat that same pony. So let's take it from here. Out, pony, right, left, quarter right, 1, 2, quarter right, half turn, 3, 4. When you finish, that right leg is in the front. And we're going to do that pony again. You repeat that step. Pony back. Right, left. Last step is on your left. Right shoulder, quarter to your right. 1, 2. Half turn with the right shoulder coming back. 3, 4. Now I'm facing you. My second wall. The line dance is finished. That's it. That was part 2. We over. We're done. After that, you go back to the top. Back to the top is right, left, step. Left, left. That's right. Exactly. So let's put it all together. Or do we need to go back? Let's put it all together, okay? All right, so here we go. 5, 6, 7, 9. When I say step right, on your right. Don't step back. Don't go like this. Step to your right, on your right. Okay? Notice some people go this, and they can't get it together. They go left, right. It's right, left. Go to your right, on your right. Okay, here we go. 5, 6, 7. You know what? I think I'm going to start it here. Okay? I think this is best. This wall is best. So, turn to the side. Okay? Let's go. Stepping on our right to going to your right. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and step right. Right, left, left. Turn, step, coaster step, step right, left. Step right, left, step back, left, up, right, left. Step right, left. Turn back, left, up, right, left. Again, right, left. Step right back, left, up, right, left. That's part 1. Last step is on your left, cross and kick. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, and 8. Walk right, left, right, left, right, point, cross, point, hood walk or pony. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Last step is on your left. Remember, the right shoulder come back, quarter turn. 1, 2, and look. Don't put it all into one. Don't just turn. It's almost like you're driving a car. If you're going to turn, make a turn, put your signal on. So that's 1, then turn, 2. Half turn, right leg. 3, put the leg back there, and then turn. Okay? From here, you do that pony or hood walk again. Back on your right. Right, left, right, left. Out, 1, 2, that's a quarter. 3, 4. Guess what? We started at that wall, right? Now I'm at here, my second wall. So it's the wall behind you. It's a 2-wall dance, the front and the back wall. Start back over, right, left, left, step. Step on that right. That's it, black lipstick. So what I want you to do is go and watch the group doing it. You'll see another video, and that's Laurie Brown, who created the line dance. They're out of California. I think her YouTube channel is Rookie VJA or something like that. And they're doing it. Beautiful line dance, beautiful line dance. So challenge your to teach your class that line dance, black lipstick. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.